Those who have been rewarded by Allah, who have not been angered, and who have not gone astray. There are 4 types of people mentioned in this verse. Whoever obeys Allah and the Messenger, they will be with those who Allah has rewarded among the prophets and the truthful and the martyrs and the righteous. Maghdub alayhim, those who were angered, refers to the Jews who were subjected to humiliation and poverty and returned with heavy wrath from Allah. The Jews are the worst of the people whom Allah cursed, whom He was angry with, and of whom He made monkeys and pigs, and who worship the Tag Hut. These people are the worst and most upright in rank, more strayed from the path. Al-Dalan, misguided people. This refers to the Christians about whom Allah said, "Do not follow the desires of this people who have gone astray before them, and they have led many astray and strayed from the straight path."